With the field randomized and the team's bots set up, I think it's about time that we got this match nice and started. So, let's begin. In 3, 2, 1.
And we're off.
3058 struggling to let go,
and
but
they're
they
clear.
get off. 11556 over in that corner. Will they deploy an alliance marker?
And this may be the first match where all teams on the field have successfully cleared the lander in endgame. Nope, in autonomous period.
750 seems to fail. Ooh, 750 and 8610 getting into a little bit of a scuff with 2 seconds left. Let's take it to Teleop.
Inventory. 3, 2, 1.
And here we go. 750 and 8610 separate without an issue. 11556 gets themselves out of the depot. 3058 starts to push the minerals in the blue sample field over there over into the blue depot, while 750 and 11556 are getting into a little bit of an argument over there about who's going to take those minerals home tonight. 8610 manages to score 2 gold minerals into the lander. I don't know if the Blue Alliance has the capability to get minerals up into that lander, and that might prove decisive for this match. 3058 managed to accidentally drop their alliance marker. There's a lot of bots stuck over in that corner near the blue depot with 11556. 750 manages to soccer kick an entire ball into that depot over there.
And while 3 of the robots are busily fighting over the depots, Team 8610 is attempting to get more minerals to score into the lander.
8610's keeping it scored. There's something going on over in that corner near that depot.
And they score 2 more gold into the lander.
3058 looks like they're moving around just looking for something to do with 15 seconds left. It looks like it's time for some of the teams to line up to hang as we enter endgame.
And it looks like Team 11556 has gotten very temporarily caught under their robot.
750's real direct getting right up to the lander. It looks like Team 8610 drops 2 silvers in while 11556 lines up to hang. 3058's already got a hook in. 750's also latched on properly. 3058 lifts up, managing to get themselves off the ground.
11556 attempts to also hang. 750 is off the ground.
750's off the ground. 8610's off the ground. 11556 the last
And they've
straggler.
got 4 seconds left to get up.
It doesn't look like 11556 can make it in this one.
And that's game. Controllers down.
An impressive showing from all the teams here today. It looks like the scores are in for qualification match 12, bringing Red Alliance a solid win, almost 100 points over the Blue Alliance with 253 points to Blue's 147.